I swore that I'd become a better man for you, but I tried to change my ways and walk the line you follow. I bore a flame that burned 1,000 suns for you, but it died. Told you that I could never love somebody else, but I lied. Oh, I lied. Oh, I lied. Hey YouTube, we're going to learn this Lord Huron song called I Lied. My loud dog is here today. This is a duet with Allison Ponthier, and let's see, it begins with F, just one measure. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, D minor, A minor, B flat. You could do arpeggios, that sounds good. Or you could just strum it. F, D minor, A minor, E flat. And then on the part that is the refrain where it's like ooh, it's F, A minor, B flat. Ooh. Stays in F for 2 measures. A minor for 1, B flat for 1. Ooh, I lied. Let's see. There's in the beginning of the song, there's a little slide guitar solo. You can play it at the 10th fret using the D minor. There's a D note there. D minor scale. You can play it at the 5th fret. There's the D on the A string. Either of those would work, or you can play F major if you know that scale. And then the only other part to this song is between before the last verse where the Amy Ponthier comes in, which by the way is a surprise ending twist. There's a little bridge. It's a B flat, D minor, F. Stays on the B minor for a while, like 2 or 3 measures. D minor and F are shorter, maybe 1 measure each of those. And then it just goes back to the main verse for the last one. Okay, that's Lord Huron. I lied with Amy Ponthier. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
But mommy, that's my treat.